Okay, so we're back with the Ringke tempered glass screen protector for the iPhone 14 Pro. So you've got 9H hardness, maximum HD resolution, perfect touch precision and anti-chip with external force absorption and all that kind of stuff on the back. So if you look at our website, you've got easy installation methods. You've got completely adherent from top to bottom with fast, longer lasting free bubble protection. Your steps there to take. The product packaging, just a quick demo there. Designed for the iPhone 14 Pro, so make sure you don't get them mixed up. And perfect fit, high definition quality, scratch resistant for keys and sharp cutting objects. Recognition, so that'll be our touch and all that kind of stuff. 2.5D dimension. And your layers, so you've got the oleophobic coating, tempered glass, black silkscreen print and AB film. And the oleophobic coating, or oleophobic coating should I call it, is popular now with the glass screen protectors and all that kind of stuff. And you can see the demo there between the two. Tempered glass and others. And as Jerry Rig would always say, glass is glass and glass will always break, but with your iPhone it's better to have screen protection regardless. So that's it, and of course it's got a friendly case design which is compatible with all their cases. And do check out our case reviews. And of course it says an easy installation method. So that's basically it there on their website. So let's have a look at this. I don't really do screen protector reviews or anything like that, but we're going to have a look anyway and see what's involved and what we've got here. So here is the entire package here. And we'll just pop all this out. Okay. Here is the top piece here. So that's the magic that's going to protect your device. So you can kind of see it there. This top here, and I like the black line going around the edge as well, which is cool. And here is the rest. So what we'll do is we'll take it out and have a look. And inside we get a cleaning lens, we get a squeegee, so that will be the one to rub down. You get some stickers to put off your dust on your left, and of course your cleaning cloth. So that's pretty much it there. So let's have a look. So my chosen case out of their lot that they sent is this one here, and I must actually look at getting some other bits off them myself for protecting those lenses and so on. So of course you've got to give your phone a good clean. It's going to lock that screen like so. Like that, and we'll just have a look there. But we'll use this to take up any dust that's left. So I'd basically just run it down the entire length of the phone just to be on the safe side. See a small bit there. And them little specks are actually off the screen. So that'll be the end of that there. Next up, we're going to give it another rub down with this. So we'll, just to be safe. Just likes to keep opening all the time. And you see a big fingerprint mark. And one more quick rub down. And that will do the job. And there's the dynamic island up on top for those who haven't seen it. Which, to be honest, hasn't done anything really spectacular so far for me. So let's get rid of all this rubbish here. Next up, you're going to get this piece here. So you're going to find out which end suits you best in your phone, which would be this one. So the big one won't go in, so this is how you're going to check it out. You will then pop this on top, like so, and then lock it all up. So just make sure these are all aligned, and that's pretty much what's done there. So next up, lift up this, pop this down. This will pop off. Let this fall on, and then rub this on like so, and first of all I'm going to squeeze out any possible bubbles I can see there. Like so, and just keep going up here, and then you will release this guy, then take off this guy, like so, pull out this, and that's what you're left with there. And we're going to rub out any other bubbles we might find. Just going to clear off all these notifications. And there you can see it. Nice job done. So let's check out the haptics. So we'll go on to Twitter. All's good there. New tweet. Hello. You can see everything works. And you can see it's all working perfectly fine. And from the edge perspective, you can see how nice that finish is there. It's really cool. And that's basically it. The job is done. So that's basically it. And of course it's friendly with their cases, so you can see now they've got a nice line going in around the edge there as well. And that's basically it and done. So that's how you do it. That's what it's like, and it's working fine. As you can see, all is working fine. Go to YouTube, Twitter, music, tap, play, pause. All is working, no problem whatsoever. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next video.